Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to show your Microsoft accounts shortcuts. So we don't know show desktop icon on any Microsoft applications. So now I see Access, Microsoft Access 2016, then Excel, and scroll down and Microsoft Note 1, OneDrive Business, OneNote, Windows 10, Outlook, and others, PowerPoint, Publisher. So Word 2016. So how can show just one folder? So click right tab and click more options and open file locations. So guys, now show programs, then Microsoft Excel, Access, Excel, then OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint. So now you click just cut copy or create a folder. So guys, I'm just click select 9 apps and just click copy. Just this is a shortcut. You can cut and copy. So I'm just now name MS and just click open and paste here. So I'm just show one click and every Microsoft apps. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye.